Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, this lovely person wanted me to do tutorials. I asked for tutorials, so of course I will be doing a tutorial today. I will start posting probably some tutorials on how I made some of my products when I was selling on Etsy. Today I will be showing you how to make this flag. A lot of people bought this flag for birthday events. I made this one for my son. Very easy to very easy to do. Sorry, someone's walking their dog. I think I'm a crazy person. So I will leave all the stuff I use to make these, but all you're going to need is these flags right here. I use a dark fabric transfer paper. It's the HTV Ront. Again, I got this on Amazon. Very affordable. I did try a couple different iron-on material, and this is the one I definitely like the best, just because the color came out better and it didn't melt so much into the fabric. It still left the image pretty clear. So I used that, and we also will be using my Cricut Easy Press. I believe this is a 12 by 12 one, but again, everything I'm gonna use I'll leave down below. I do recommend, if you have a heat pad, to use it. You don't want to be burning your table or whatever you're working on. So let's get into it. To make our printouts, I'm going to go ahead and use Canva, of course, because you know I love Canva. I'm going to be using the monster truck logo that I made, that I already uploaded. I'm going to also be uploading a picture of my son. I think I want to make a stop go sign too. That seems really fun, and just to give you guys a few ideas what you can do, but again, options are unlimited. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in Canva real quick. If you want a more detailed tutorial, I did put a tutorial on my channel making an invitation, so if you need any pointers on how to use Canva, I do have a video on that. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this real quick, and we'll go ahead and print and cut. Okay guys, so again, this is everything I wanted to show you that you're going to need to do this project. So of course the flags, your HTV Ront that I talked about, any plain pair of scissors just to cut out your material. This is the heat pad that I was talking about. Please make sure you have something. You don't want to be doing it on wood or whatever material you're going to be heating it on. I did invest in buying one of these. You definitely don't need to go and buy one of these. Before I did use this, I did just use a plain towel folded up, so that works just as well. You're also gonna need some like cookie paper. HTV Ront actually does come with sheets for you to include. I keep reusing the paper as much as I can. You can tell it's all dark because you know, you gotta save money here. If you're making shirts, I don't recommend it because this might transfer onto your shirt. But for these, it works just fine. And I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press. Now, you definitely don't need to buy a Cricut Easy Press. I know these go for quite a bit of money, but I did invest in it just because of how many projects I was doing. But you can definitely just use a plain iron. I would just be careful with the iron because you will have to play with your settings a little bit because it's not as standardized as a Cricut Easy Press because every iron's different. So just be careful with that. Again, I'll leave all the links to everything I'm using down below. Okay, so go ahead and take your flags out of the package, and I lay them out like this. I find it the best. So you're going to put your image on here. I do flip my images. I'll show you. So if I had one triangle here, I would put one like this just because I do like them on the same side. You have to take note of which way the flagpole is going. So the ones on these sides I always flip. These are peel back, so you are going to want to peel these off because this backing is not the iron-on, this is just paper. So you just go ahead and peel this off and place it onto here. So the settings, I want to show you what you're going to be using on your Cricut. If you are using one of these, go ahead and turn on your power. This is showing that it's heating up, but we want to adjust the temperature. So go ahead to the temperature icon here. We don't need to go that high. So we're actually going to go to about 300. And that's honestly more than enough. These don't take a lot of heat to iron on. So that's set, so we're good there. Now the time. The time you want to go down to about 10 seconds. These are not going to be left on, like I said, very long at all. Okay, and we'll wait for that to heat up. When it heats up, this will turn green and you're ready to go. Heating up, I like to set all this up. We'll peel off the backings, and once that's heated, we will press and see how they come out. Hi guys, I totally didn't forget to film an outro or anything. That's why the lighting's a bit weird. It's nighttime now. So that's how you make custom flags. I think it is pretty simple. If you guys have any comments, suggestions on my next video, go ahead and let me know, or any comments in this video. I will be happy to listen to them. Yeah, so that's how you make those. The only thing I wish I didn't mess up on was the stop go sign. I don't know if you guys caught that when I was filming. It's upside down. I made it upside down. No. I don't know what happened there. I totally just spaced. But it came out good anyway. You can see the print quality spot on. I do recommend the Epson printer if I didn't talk to you about that before. I do use Epson. I used to use Canon, but I switched over to Epson because Canon was honestly giving me a headache. If you guys want a review or suggestions on printer, go ahead and let me know. I have gone through a few of them. Epson, I do recommend Epson, and I do love Epson. I actually have two of them, one for sublimation and just regular printing. So if you guys want to see a sublimation video, I would be happy to show you. Just let me know in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night. Until next time. Bye.